3D printing at home sounds great until you start sorting through all the options. With so many models, features, and price ranges, it's easy to pick a machine that's not right for you. And the last thing anyone wants is a printer that's tough to set up, delivers poor results, or breaks down after a few uses. That's why we've put together this guide to the 6 best 3D printers for home use. Whether you're just starting out or looking for an upgrade, we'll walk you through real-world ease of use, setup, and which printer will suit your needs best. Check out the description for links and pricing. Number 6. Prusa Mini Plus. The Prusa Mini Plus is compact, intelligent, and one of the most reliable names in home 3D printing. It's a top choice for those who want consistent, high-quality results without the complexity of industrial-grade machines. Positioned in the mid-range price bracket, it delivers everything that matters without the extra bulk or confusion. With a build volume of 180 by 180 by 180 millimeters, it's ideal for everyday home projects like model parts, phone stands, tool mounts, or small repairs. One standout feature is the Super PNDA Auto Mesh Bed Leveling, ensuring your first layer almost always goes down perfectly. Great for beginners who want to avoid the hassle of constant adjustments. The Prusa Mini Plus supports a variety of materials including PLA, PETG, ABS, and even flexible filaments, giving you the freedom to experiment and build more durable parts. Its modular design and removable spring steel bed make it easy to upgrade or remove prints without any tools or frustration. It's not without its flaws, though. It doesn't come with an enclosure, which might be an issue if you plan on printing with ABS frequently. It's also not the fastest printer available, but for most home users, that's hardly a deal-breaker. The Prusa Mini Plus is a solid choice for beginners ready to start printing and for those looking for reliable performance without the stress of constant adjustments. Number 5. Elegoo Centauri Carbon. If you're looking for something rugged, fast, and ready to tackle serious prints, the Elegoo Centauri Carbon is worth considering. Built like a tank, this fully enclosed printer uses Corex V-Motion to offer faster speeds and greater precision, making it one of the most powerful home-use machines from Elgu. With a solid 256 by 256 by 256 millimeter build volume, it's perfect for larger projects, like cosplay helmets, RC car parts, or functional pieces that need both strength and accuracy. Thanks to the Corex dual kinematics, it can move swiftly and precisely, reaching speeds up to 500 millimeters per second, all while maintaining sharp corners and clean prints. What really sets the Centauri Carbon apart is its fully enclosed steel frame, which comes with air filtration. This feature helps maintain a consistent internal temperature and filters out odors and particles, making it especially useful when working with materials like ABS or carbon fiber blends at home. It's safer, cleaner, and ensures better print quality for those more challenging materials. The main downside? It's a bit on the larger and heavier side compared to other home units, so it may not be ideal if you're working in a small space or need to move it around often. The Centauri Carbon is a great choice for intermediate users seeking reliable, fast performance and the ability to print with advanced materials, all without jumping into professional-grade pricing. Number 4. AnkerMake M5C. The AnkerMake M5C follows the same smart, user-friendly approach that Anker is famous for with its other products. This compact, sleek printer is designed for speed, making it an excellent option for anyone looking for quality prints without getting bogged down in complex settings. With a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, it's perfect for a wide range of household and hobbyist projects, from organizing tools to creating custom phone mounts or display stands. It also prints quickly, reaching speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second, while the direct drive system ensures excellent material control and detail, especially with filaments like TPU and PETG. The 7x7 auto bed leveling grid ensures a consistently level print surface, and the PEI-coated magnetic bed makes it simple to remove prints once they're cooled. Setup is quick, so you can start printing almost immediately without having to delve into deep menu options or manual adjustments. Connectivity is flexible, offering Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C, allowing you to transfer files to the printer in whichever way works best for you. Plus, it operates quietly, making it a great choice if you're working in shared spaces. On the flip side, the absence of a physical screen might be a drawback for some, and if you're looking to heavily modify or upgrade the machine, this might not be the best fit. Number 3. FlashForge Adventurer 5M. If you're after speed and versatility without breaking the bank, the FlashForge Adventurer 5M has you covered. As a Core XL machine, it's engineered for quick, precise movements, perfect for home users who want pro features but don't want to be overwhelmed by complicated setups. With a top speed of 600 millimeters per second, it stands out as one of the quickest printers in its class. This makes it an excellent choice for those who need to pump out multiple prints in a short amount of time, whether you're working on prototypes or just eager to see your next model completed. Plus, its fully automatic bed leveling means you can skip the manual adjustments and get right to printing. The enclosed build and integrated HEPA filter make this model safe and free from unpleasant odors, especially when working with materials like carbon fiber filaments. The swappable nozzles are another bonus, allowing for seamless transitions between flexible, strong, or standard filaments. This kind of flexibility is hard to come by at this price. On the flip side, it's a bit bulkier than some open-frame models and weighs more. Additionally, while the included software works well, it may take some getting used to if you're familiar with alternatives like Cura or Prusa Slicer. Overall, the Adventurer 5M is perfect for hobbyists, tinkerers, or anyone who values speed and flexibility, with room to grow and experiment. Number 2. Creality Ender 3 V3 Southeast. The Creality Ender 3 V3 Southeast is an excellent choice for those just starting with 3D printing, especially if you're on the hunt for an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use machine. It improves upon previous Ender models with key upgrades that make the whole printing experience smoother and more beginner-friendly. With a 220 by 220 by 250 mm build volume, it's perfect for tackling everyday projects like phone stands, small repairs, toys, or brackets. The standout feature here is the CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling System, which eliminates the guesswork and hassle of manual adjustments, ensuring your prints stay stuck and don't warp. Another solid upgrade is the Direct Drive Extruder, which offers better control when working with flexible filaments like TPU or PETG. This gives you more flexibility with the types of projects you can take on, even if you're still new to 3D printing. On the flip side, the open frame design can make it sensitive to temperature fluctuations and drafts, which may cause issues with certain filaments. While the machine is beginner-friendly, you may need to tweak a few settings to get the best possible results. Overall, the Ender 3 V3 Southeast is an ideal pick for beginners who want dependable performance at an affordable price, or for anyone looking to upgrade from an older printer without breaking the bank. Number 1. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is sleek, compact, and designed to impress. Despite its small footprint, it's loaded with intelligent features that make 3D printing feel almost effortless, even if you've never used one before. It's the kind of machine that fits seamlessly into any desk or workshop without requiring constant attention. With a print speed of 500 mm per second and an acceleration of up to 10,000 mm/2, this printer is fast, but it doesn't sacrifice print quality. The details remain crisp and layers come out smooth. A standout feature is its LiDAR-assisted auto-bed leveling, which means no more fiddling with manual adjustments or calibration. The A1 Mini uses sensors to ensure your first layer is perfectly set every time. It's also surprisingly quiet thanks to its enclosed Hoten design. Whether you're working through a call or running it overnight while the family sleeps, it won't make a peep. For those looking to get more creative, it supports multicolor printing with the optional AMS Light add-on, ideal for projects like school presentations, cosplay, or vibrant art pieces. The built-in camera and full-color touchscreen make it easy to monitor prints remotely or make adjustments without missing a beat. It's intuitive and takes all the guesswork out of the printing process. The A1 Mini is perfect for tech enthusiasts, families, and anyone who values consistent, clean prints with minimal setup. Thanks for sticking with us. Choosing the right 3D printer can be tough, but we hope this helped make your decision a little easier. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on future guides like this. Have a favorite printer from the list, or maybe you already own one. Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear about what you're working on. You'll find all the product links and up-to-date prices in the description. Catch you in the next one.